But in this video, I want to try to explain the conflict of Gaza in 3 minutes or less. So let's get started. Let's break down the conflict of Gaza Strip in a way that really makes sense. So first, imagine a small strip of land on the east coast of Mediterranean Sea. This is the Gaza Strip. It's about 25 miles long and only a few miles wide, but is the home of more than 2 million people. Now, the root of the conflict go back a long way. After the First World War, Great Britain controlled the area known as Palestine, which included what is now Israel and Palestinian territories. Tensions grew between the Jewish and Arab communities that lived there. In 1947, the United Nations proposed to divide the land into separate Jewish, Arab, and Arab states. Jewish leaders accepted the plan, but Arab leaders rejected it. When Israel declared its independence in 1948, neighboring Arab countries invaded. Hundreds of thousands of Palestinians fled or were expelled, and many ended up in Gaza. Since then, Gaza has been at the center of the tension. Egypt controlled it until 1967, when Israel took it during the Six-Day War. In 2005, Israel withdrew its troops and settles, but still controls the borders of Gaza, airspace, and access to the sea. In 2007, the Hamas group took control of Gaza. Hamas is considered a terrorist organization by Israel. The United States and the European Union. Um, since then, Israel and Egypt have imposed a blockade restricting the movement of people and goods. The blockade, in addition to the repeated wars between Hamas and Israel, has led to the humanitarian crisis. Most of the people in Gaza depend on aid. Electricity is limited and unemployment is the clouds. So, why is the fight still going on? Basically, Hamas and other groups in Gaza launched rockets at Israel, saying they are resisting the occupation. Israel responds with air attacks, saying it is defending itself. The civilians on both sides are the ones who suffer the most. Peace attempts have failed, mainly due to disagreement over the borders, security, and the rights of Palestinian refugees. The situation is complicated by politics, region, and decade of distrust. Today, the Gaza Strip is still a point of conflict, overwhelmed, isolated, and trapped in a cycle of violence and difficulties. Most of the people there just want security, freedom, and opportunity for a normal life. Understanding the Gaza conflict means looking beyond the headlines and seeing the people trapped in the middle. It is a story shaped by history, politics, and real human struggles. If you want to learn more, take a look at the links in the description. Thank you for watching.